Hello everyone, welcome to Robosmart Labs. So here I'm just to tell you what is Robosmart Labs and what all things we are offering. So Robosmart Labs is basically an edtech company, and here we are offering some robotics and coding courses. So in robotics, we are having concepts like virtual reality, basic electronics, mechanics, 3D printing, drones, humanoid, etc. and etc. In coding, we are offering multiple courses in which we are teaching machine learning, Python, Java, and creating graphics and all GUI interfaces we are working with. We are offering courses for kids from grade 1 to grade 12. And here we are having two types of courses. One is 80 classes courses and other is 24 classes courses. And we have divided this into different grades. Like for grade 3 to 5, we are having different course, and from grade 6 to 8, then grade 9, 10, and then grade 11 and 12. So all these 80 classes courses are divided into different grades, and the topics that we will be covering, as I already told, is like robotics, basic electronics. So you will be getting to know what is the basics of creating a robot, how a robot works, what is the basics of machine learning, AI, and these concepts that are right now are getting a very good boom in the market or in the outside world right now. We will be teaching you all these things. For more information, you can just go to our website, that is robosmartlabs.com, and there you can just explore the different courses that we are already offering. I will be providing the link in the description box below. You can just click on the link to just explore all the different courses. If you have any kind of queries, we have our contact details on our website. You can contact Robosmart Labs. We will be resolving all your queries. If you want to book any demo class, you can book our demo class from our website. And you can also visit our labs, our Robosmart Labs that we are having in Jaipur and Lucknow and many other cities. We are also collaborating with different schools as well. So we are having both online and offline courses. So here we are offering the offline courses. Like here you can see this 80-hour course for grade 3 to 5. This is a beginner level course, and we have achievers, and we have robust course, and then we have the master level course. So these are the different level courses that we are offering in our labs. Apart from that, we are also having some online courses. For those, just go to our website and you can just explore all the different courses that we are offering. And if you're having any queries, you can contact us in our labs or through our website. So thank you so much. And I will be seeing in a different video in which we will be coming with a new project that we will be creating here in our labs. Thank you so much.